Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung A850, I think it is. So we're going to do the ringtones and wallpapers on this. Yeah, the A850. This is with US Cellular. We're going to move our tripod real quick too. Alright, and like I said, guys, I'm sorry for these videos. They're really far behind. I've been really busy on working on my car, getting it back together. I had a couple of phones. This ZTE I had, it quit working for some reason. I'm not sure what's up with it. I'm going to take the board out and see, maybe I can see some damage. If not, I'll probably drop test it and go pick up another one off eBay. I'm not sure what's up with that one, but I've just been really busy, so I'm trying to get these videos made out for you guys. Let's see. There it is. I forgot US Cellular uses their little separate menu for calls and stuff like that. Whoops. Alright, those are kind of boring, but let's see. I wonder if that whisper mode is. Let's turn that off. I don't know what it does. I think they're all the same for like the text messages and stuff like that. It doesn't even give you a setting for like your text messages. Key beep. Nothing you change there. There is alerts. It's kind of a basic setting. I don't really like US Cellular devices, truthfully, but let's go and take a look at the wallpaper, I guess. There's one. I want my camera to focus. There we go. I'm gonna go back to that slideshow. I didn't realize it was animated. I think we've seen this on other Samsung phones too. That one, anyways. I kind of like that one. I think that's gonna be it, guys, on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.